Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find iPhone from someone else's iPhone. First things first, open an internet browser on your friend's iPhone. Access then incognito mode or private browsing to ensure none of your friend's browsing history or data is stored. Here in the private browsing window, search for Lost iPhone using a search engine, then look for the option related to iCloud's Find My iPhone service. Once on this site, locate and click on the link directing to icloud.com/find. This will then lead you to the iCloud website where you can track your lost device. Once you are on this page, just log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. But in my case, I will just be using my Face ID for now, since I am using my own phone, but the steps are just the same when you use your friend's iPhone. Anyways, this steps allows you to access the Find My iPhone feature. Once you are logged in, the iCloud interface will display a map indicating the location of your lost iPhone. You can then pinpoint its position on the map. Tapping on the device location on the map will provide further details and options related to your lost device location. Lastly, you can tap on your device to play sound or lock your iPhone by marking it as lost. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.